Welcome to e-hallpass. This short video will show an administrator, teacher, or staff person how to approve a student's pass from the student device. The student will begin the pass by selecting the teacher or staff member that they are leaving. So in this case, let's say the student is asking teacher number 2 for permission to leave the classroom. Then the student indicates in the system where they wish to go. They can use the shortcuts that have been put on their device or dashboard, or they can search for the teacher or location in the search box. This student is going to his or her locker. The student then scrolls down and selects Create Pass. At this point, the student would ask permission to leave the room, and the teacher can approve or pin the student out of the classroom directly on the student device. Teachers also have the option to approve the pass from their dashboard, which is covered in one of our other training videos. If the teacher wishes to see how many passes the student has already requested or done throughout that day, the teacher can click on the circle up here where there is a number. The number indicates how many passes that student has had today. You'll see some detail here, which teachers they left, where they went, and then details about the timing of each of those passes. In order to approve the pass, the teacher would click the check mark. The teacher enters his or her PIN number in the PIN box on the window and has the option to enter a note, which becomes a permanent part of the pass. The PIN number is something that the teacher sets up in his or her profile. Once the PIN is entered, then the teacher can click Approve and the clock starts. You'll notice that the pass turns green on the student device and the clock starts. At this point, the student can leave the room, go to the destination, and then upon returning to the classroom, the teacher can pin the student back in using the same process, clicking on the check mark on the student device, entering his or her PIN, adding a note if necessary, and then clicking End or Keep. The pass is then gray, which means it has been ended, and you'll see the details down here at the bottom. Who the teacher was that pinned the student out, the time, the destination, and the total amount of time. We hope you found this training video valuable. If you should have any questions about using e-hallpass, please follow your school's process for submitting system questions. Thank you.